starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Start of the qualification match in the lower bracket. For those of you just tuning in, wondering what you're watching, this is Reefscape First Robotics New England District Championship. The first 15 seconds are controlled by code only. And in this game, robots must score coral, the white tubes on the reef. And as you can see in autonomous, this is impressive. These teams have done a lot of work this weekend and polished their games. It is 58-44 in favor of the Red Alliance. They are the higher ranked team right now, but anything can happen. As you can see, the scores are getting closer. The other thing you might notice on the field are the green algae. The green algae can be scored in the barge up on top for another 4 points. On the Red Alliance side, you'll notice a defensive robot has come over. That was 17-29, team inconceivable. But they are beached on some algae, and there is nobody to help them. They get themselves off, so good for them. But they're trying to do defense to keep the Red Alliance from scoring. On the blue side of the field, you're going to see 56-87. They're the outliers from Maine. They're trying to play defense on the other teams. 125, the Neutrons, and 95, the Grasshoppers. Trying to score coral. All the coral on top is worth 5 points each. And you can see for the Red Alliance, their coral is all filled at the top. The Blue Alliance, not so much. And you can see, though, the score is 86-84. Very close. 2 points are separating these two in the match. Now it is 99-90, so this one is still close. And now more scoring is going to be taking place, and you'll see overly complex 87-08, the Red Alliance team, and 49-09, the Bionics. They are still filling it up. Now each of those are going to be worth 4 points each, so not as much, but still very important to get that done. The Blue Alliance still have some spaces on the upper level for 5 points each if they choose to get them. The score there now is 123-110. Blue Alliance is ahead right now. They are Alliance 3. And they're playing against Alliance 5, which is the red one. So 123 with 131-122, a 9-point lead now for the Blue Alliance. But it is not over yet, because at the end of the game, about 20 seconds left, you're going to hear a sound like a pinging sonar, and that's when the end game will come into place. Right now, the coral is still being scored on the reef. Not a lot of algae is being placed into the barge, and it is 144-132. 12-point difference. You know what that 12 points is? That's available in the end game, which is a mess in the middle. There is coral and algae all over the place, but there are 3 deep cages that the robots can climb up, and they can get up. It is 12 points for each robot, and that is within this margin of the score differential. We have 2 blue robots up, 3 blue robots up. Do we have 3 red robots up? Maybe not. That is 12 points for each robot. Blue Alliance. Final score there of 184-151. You can see the breakdown here shown up on the screen. The coral, there was an advantage of 13 points for the Blue Alliance. Also a 20-point advantage. And then there was a